that is going to generate is marvelous. Now, I'm going to share with you some testimonies I found online before taking this business seriously. This is a lady who suffered from a breast cancer. Upon using 6 boxes of STC30, the recovery was significant. Now, this is a stroke patient in India who was introduced to STC30. If you look at the skin color, upon taking STC30, there was remarkable regeneration of new skin cells because the immunity levels was able to detoxify the body from all that was happening, and he healed very fast. Now, the lady on the left was charging a mobile phone plugged to electrical source and was talking, and it exploded and disfigured the face. Upon using STC30 for 2 weeks, there was significant recovery. Now, the man on the right also suffered from prostate cancer and was catheterized, meaning that a rubber was passed through the penis before urine could come out. Upon using STC30, he could now urinate without any catheterization. This was significant. The lady you see on the left suffered from a septic eczema. It is an allergy on the skin due to a drug or food. Now, this lady used STC30 and remarkably, he started recovering significantly. And that's the same for this gentleman who suffered eczema on the skin, and then he also recovered. We have a gentleman who had a ball at the back of the ear using STC30. It was able to degenerate, and then it cleared very often. This is a lady with a neck swelling, which also started going down remarkably. Now, as a doctor, I worked in the hospital and found this patient who suffered from a skin condition called toxic erythematous necrosis, an allergy to a drug or food. Now, when he came to the hospital, I consulted a senior colleague, and then we started this client on steroids. I recommended that we add 1 pack of STC30 as an addendum, and remarkably, within 15 days, he was recovering incredibly. Now, with his permission, I took a picture with him before he left the hospital, and we did a follow-up, and this is the patient. So it then boosted my interest that really, this is an incredible product. Let me just share it. Now, in 2019, when I was moving out, I was struck by this story about a pastor called Goitre in Zambia. He's been married for 12 years, no child. Now, this pastor is 50 years old and the wife is 43 years. For 12 years, they didn't have a child. When someone introduced STC30 to them, the wife got pregnant and delivered after 12 years of barrenness. So I went to Ghana Water Company, showed this testimony to them, and Mr. Gossen Blebo, who is a staff at Ghana Water Company, Sogakope, also was having issues of infertility for 5 years. Now, upon using